Hey Rachel, this is Richard Simons from University of Houston downtown. I appreciate your message, and I want to, instead of typing everything out, I found videos are very, very helpful. So when you log into your TK20 account, this is the screen that you're going to see. By going to Field Experience and then clicking on Ms. Wynn's binder, it opens up into a split screen for you. So on the left-hand side, this is where the student's information is going to be. So when she has put anything here, this is where the student's information is going to be. Your information and forms is going to be here on the right-hand side. So when you see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total forms, it looks you completed the first candidate rating back on October 3rd. So typically this is the first one's about midpoint, second one's towards the end of the year, which is perfect. And if we click on those forms, it's going to open up similar to an online SurveyMonkey or other online form that we have. Do not worry about anything when it comes to the grade, or you do not have to add any additional comments. But when you're finished with this one, go ahead and click Save and Close. I'm going to scroll back up top and click back so I don't accidentally do that. The other form that you need to complete this here is a professional attributes for your teacher candidate. This form here, both you, the student, and the FEI will complete. And it's the same type of form where you go through, there's 21 items, and then save and close. The other 4 forms, these are all confirmation forms, and I know that because they say confirmation in the name. So these 4 here are throughout the semester when Mr. Buck and you and Miss Wynn met. You went through the T-Text rubric and a conference form that Mr. Buck did complete when he was in there doing the observations. So all these forms are just you acknowledging that those observations took place. And so instead of completing a whole lot, you go through, click yep, you confirm that you were part of that meeting and you went through that form, put the date, today's date is fine, because this is the date that you signed, hit save and close and you're done. So again, the total of 7 things to complete. You've completed 1 of them, 2 are rating forms, and then the other 4 are going to be attaching your signature. When you are finished, go ahead and just make sure you save every single form, and then when you're done, you'll hit close up here in the top, and then that will be all. If you have any other questions, please let me know.